Hey, how are you? I'm feeling, pretty good, like pretty okay. Um, Maybe feel a little weird, I don't know why. I've been like getting a lot of sleep though, like a lot of sleep, so that's good. And also on the bright side, I've been going to the gym a lot with my boyfriend, like a lot as in like every day, or sometimes like we don't go a day if we're sore. But for the most part, we've been going like every day. His car died, so we had to get a rental one. Well, they like gave us a loaner one, so that's good. I just found out that I'm starting at the daycare Tuesday, so that's exciting. Like I said, it's like 9 to 6, but I'm gonna go in at 10 o'clock the first time. I don't really know what else. Like I said, I've been eating in the house because we usually like go out a lot. But I've been eating like in the house. I've been cooking a lot, so that's good. But yeah, nothing else really comes to mind. Well, actually, like I think about for the job, like I have a degree. Like I literally have a degree, and I'm choosing to work at a daycare just for now because I just feel like it'll get me in like some type of routine and just be a little different from my day to day. And then maybe eventually I'll use my degree, or maybe like I'll want to go back to school because like I don't know, it's in digital media and business. But I've been thinking a lot about social work. Like I really like social work, so I don't really know what to do about that. And like I've thought about being a flight attendant, but then I would have to drive to the airport, and that's another thing. Like I haven't driven in a while, like a long time. I feel like I get anxiety driving, or like even thinking about driving. Not if like someone else is driving, but like if I were to drive. Like I think it's between the accident and just my confidence in general. So I don't know, that's been like a downer on me too. Like even when I have my car, I just don't want to drive. And like I need to get over that. Like Florida driving is crazier than Connecticut driving too. Like for real, like there's so many lanes, there's so many wish-washies. Like I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my boyfriend to get off his classes, and we're gonna go to the gym. And peace out. See you in our next appointment.